Hi there, this is the D sound, as in the words do, day, and die. It's a sound from the consonant pairs group, and it's called the voiced alveolar stop. This means that you stop airflow between your tongue and the ridge behind your teeth. The D sound is made through the mouth and it's voiced, which means that you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by the motion of your tongue, and it's a stop sound, which is a sound made by building up air pressure by stopping airflow and then releasing it. In this case, you stop the airflow with your tongue against the area behind your top teeth. To produce the sound, block the airflow by placing your tongue behind the top teeth. Then release the pressure by pulling the tongue back into your mouth while voicing out. D, D, D. The D sound is normally spelled with the letter D, as in the words down, president, already, and read. Here are some words that begin with the D sound. Director, data, derive, and develop. And here are some words with the D sound in the middle. Idea, understand, already, and education. Here are some words with the D sound at the end. Decide, kind, word, and friend. So that's it for the D sound. But we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds: vowels, diphthongs, single consonants, and consonant pairs, as well as a video explaining the phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video with lots of examples and explanations of how to produce that sound. At the English Language Club, we also offer live online classes via Skype or Google Hangouts. To make a booking with me or one of our other teachers, visit our website. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. So please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.